Hi, it's Laura at Positive Things Living, and I'm doing the Lavender and Lace journal, hashtag Lavender and Lace, with Cara Brandon Creations and LineDotArrow. Here is my completed folio. Yeah. It started out as 3 window envelopes, and I've made it into this. To honor the idea of lace, I've got all of my mother's old doilies here. At some point they'll end up in a junk journal, but right now they're on my table as I show you this. And this hanky was from my mum. So the folio opens up like this, and it has some little journaling cards in there. I have a die cut that does this. Now, Cara had given away on her Freebie Friday a option to do this, but you have to cut out the white parts. So I was a little lazy. And then the other side, again, another window envelope, flips open this way. And it has 2 tags, and all these digitals are from the 2 ladies, Nathalie at LineDotArrow and Cara Brandon. And this is a belly band where I just tuck this little notebook in there. I sort of leaned into the idea of using the images of ladies throughout this project. It's not something I've ever done before, is use the images of ladies. This is an embossed frame, the Sizzix Tim Holtz. It's both embossed and cut out. And then inside the envelope window, worked it out so that her face would show. Unlike the first video, I finally got ones that would fit into these windows. You can take a look at that first video. I'll link it at the end. So it has these cards that go in, and again, the digitals are all from Cara Brandon and Nathalie. Little die cut. You can see almost 3D thing. I wanted to be sure to have something pretty to look at. And I die cut this so that it would be like the birds are sort of looking in the window. The tie, let's pull the third one out here, and another lady, this time with her frame around her. The tie is in these circular medallions. Again, it's a die cut that also embosses, and I used ink, but 2 different colors. One is a blue, one of the blue, I think Stormy Sky, and the other one was Preserves. And the Preserves was 2 red, and obviously the blue was 2 blues. But using them together, I think I did okay. And these are watercolored. Yeah, finding the right color of purple was not easy for me. I struggled a little bit with that. So there's the folio. Here are the tags and cards and items that go in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have 1 more week in this challenge to do something else. That's to come up. But in the meantime, because I was done decorating, I thought I'd make something different. I saw a lady on Instagram make this. It is a 1 page that's folded to be a pocket. So I used some of the pretty images. And at this point, I can't remember whose. This is embossed, and then with the folder, embossing folder, and then with the distress ink just pulled over top. So I made some extra stuff. I don't know where it's going to go. These are these medallions with some of the chiffon ribbon there, and a die cut of a ticket, and a little journaling tag. Oh, and this one here, and another of those where you glue down the edges and then you can tuck tags in between. I have no idea where all this is going. It's just here at this point. And this is the one sheet. I'll link below to this woman's Instagram, and she shows you how to fold it and such. But I thought that was cool. And 2 more tags that I've made in the meantime for this collaboration between Cara Brandon Creations and Nathalie at LineDotArrow. You can get all these beautiful digitals on their Etsy store. I'll link everything below. And there's quite a few others that are also participating in this challenge, making their beautiful items and posting them in 3 different Facebook groups. I'll link below. But in the meantime, I just thought I'd say hello. This is where I am at this point, or as we say in the South, this is where I'm at. Take care. It's Laurie at Positive Thanks Living. And this is, the Lavender and Lace collaboration. Take care.